Hello and welcome. I don't know. This is an unusual one. I think I've told a couple of you that I have a park in my backyard. Well, I don't anymore. I have a lake, and I might possibly be evacuating tonight. So I thought, just in case I evacuate, I will put this up online first. But this is video footage courtesy of Television One News. And yeah, this is my backyard. It was a lake where people played rugby. We're not playing rugby there today. As you can see, some of the neighbours are out in their boats. But yes, that is my backyard. So I just thought I'd fill you in, let you know what's going on. Sorry there's no sound to this, but hey, it's taken from a helicopter. What can you say? So yes, and there you can play rugby, cricket, basketball, or go for a swim. um, what do you say about this? I don't know. I've raised all my food to a higher level. I've got my go bag ready. I've even found my raincoat. I haven't had to use a raincoat in 2 years. But I've got my raincoat ready now.